Welcome back to my channel, food lovers. Today we are cooking a delicious and hearty dish that is very special in every Nigerian home. Yes, if you are looking forward to cook your yam porridge, stay tuned. Let me take you step by step on how you can make this mouth-watering dish. So here are the basic ingredients I'll be using for cooking. Feel free to adjust any ingredients, or you can also add alternative ingredients according to your own taste. So on the display, I have my smoked mackerel fish, my grounded crayfish, smoked catfish, diced onion, red oil, red pepper mix. I am using a combination of tatashe and scotch bonnet. You can use fresh tomatoes or bell peppers for this dish. So in order to begin with the cooking, I'm going to place the cut and pre-washed yam into a medium-sized pot and enough water to cover the pieces. Then I'll cover the pot to allow the yam to start boiling. So a few minutes into cooking, I added some salt, 2 more cubes, and the washed catfish into the pot and bring it to a boil. One of the best tips I have used to cook this best porridge yam is to don't overcook the yam to the point of it getting too soft, too mushy. Leave it very soft, but make sure it is still very intact for the nice porridge texture. In a separate pan, I heated up some palm oil on a medium heat and add the chopped onion and saute until they become translucent. It's going to release and enhance the flavor of the oil. Then I will go ahead and add the minced ground pepper to the onion and cook for additional minutes. So remember, if you are using tomatoes and bell pepper, add and stir all together. Then add some salt and let this cook for another few minutes until the tomato softens and releases its own juice. So now the yam should be tender and starting to break apart. Check with a fork and to make sure it is cooked thoroughly. So now I went ahead to add the prepared sauce mixture into the pot with the yam. Stir to combine the flavors. Add some water to adjust the consistency if necessary, and also check for salt and seasoning. Note that adding more water makes it creamier. Adding less make it thicker. So then I went on to add the remaining diced onion and the smoked mackerel fish. Let everything simmer together on a low to medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to blend well together and to release all the sweetness from the fish. Another important ingredient to add to this dish is grounded crayfish. It takes this dish to another whole level entirely. Crayfish adds a unique flavor to the dish and even makes it more delicious. Crayfish is a great addition if you want that authentic Nigeria taste, but it's optional if you're not a fan of seafood flavors. You can skip the crayfish. So now the yam is perfectly cooked and the aroma is everywhere. Gently mash the yam pieces in the pot with a spoon or a spatula, or if you have a masher, you can go ahead and use it to mash some pieces of the yam. Remember, you are not to mash all the yam pieces because you still want some pieces to stay intact while others break down into a creamy texture. Now my yam porridge is ready to be served, but if you want to add some vegetable or leafy green to your porridge for extra coloring and nutrition, now is the time. I am using pumpkin leaf ugu for my yam porridge. I am using tiny bit of it. I am not adding too much. As you can see here, I am adding it bit by bit so I don't overcrowd the yam porridge. The essence of this vegetable is just to add some vibrant color to this porridge. So feel free to add extra vegetable if that's what you want. So now I will let the vegetable cook for a minute, nothing more than that. Then remember to test and adjust the seasoning if needed. Ensure the salt, seasoning cubes and pepper are well balanced. Now my pot of porridge yam is ready. So this is how you make Nigeria yam porridge. Very rich, very flavorful and very satisfying. This dish is perfect for any day of the week. If you have watched to this point, you are really a rare gem. Thank you for tuning in, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share this recipe with your friends. Did you enjoy the recipe? Do let me know on the comment section, and what other Nigeria recipe would you like me to make next? Still drop it on the comment section. Love you guys. I will see you guys on my next one. So till then, bye bye.